What's up? I'm going to show you how to make the best summer cocktail, the Gin Mojito. A mojito is a Cuban drink usually made with white rum, limes, mint, tons of ice, and a little bit of club soda. This is my recipe for a gin version. Go ahead and throw in 5 lime wedges and crush them up with some mint. I'm using xylitol, which sounds like a prescription medication, but it's actually a really good natural sweetener. You don't have to crush it up and mix it after you add each ingredient. I just like to because it's fun. Now we're going to add in my secret ingredient, Gatsby Mojito. This will add a refreshing complementary layer of complexity to this masterpiece of a cocktail. So with any mojito, if it's made correctly, it's actually mostly alcohol. So we're going to pour in 2.5 shots of gin. Use the blade of your knife to mix it up a little bit more. I really like to break up the lime and mint as much as possible, because then you get the lime pulp and the mint leaf chunks. I like that. Makes it real good. Throw in some ice.
Pour the champagne.
In a normal mojito, you top it off using club soda, but club soda has no alcohol,
And that's no fun.
At this point you can mix it all together, or you can just leave it like it is. Then your drink will have layers, and that's cool. If you support the consumption of alcohol, please give this video a thumbs up.